Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Marca, and today we're going to make roasted asparagus with fried egg gremolata. Blanch asparagus for about 1 minute and pat dry and set aside. Prepare the gremolata by mixing lemon, orange zest, garlic, parsley, oil, and a pinch of salt. Oil asparagus and season with salt and pepper. And roast on a medium-high heat in a sauté pan. Remove and set aside. In a sauté pan, fry an egg sunny side up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Sprinkle gremolata, Parmesan cheese, and make sure you grind them good. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos!